Hello children, this video will help you to understand the revolution of the earth and the change of seasons. We will understand it through a diagram given at page number 22 in your social book. As we know that our earth moves around the sun. Our earth moves around the sun and the path on which our earth moves is called its orbit. You can see this path on which our earth moves is called its orbit. The earth takes 1 year to complete one orbit, which causes seasons. Let's clear it through the diagram. We will start from position 2. At this position, the North Pole is tilted towards the sun. You can see the North Pole and the South Pole. North Pole is tilted towards the sun, so the northern hemisphere gets more sunlight. Therefore, it is summer in this hemisphere. During this time, the South Pole is tilted away from the sun, so the southern hemisphere gets less sunlight. Therefore, it is winter in this hemisphere. Now just opposite look at position 4. Here the South Pole is tilted towards the sun. North Pole, South Pole. South Pole is tilted towards the sun. The southern hemisphere gets more sunlight. Therefore, it has summer. During this time, the North Pole is tilted away from the sun. So the northern hemisphere gets less sunlight. Therefore, it is winter in this hemisphere. Now look at position 1 and position 3. When the earth is in these positions, the sun's rays fall directly on the equator. As a result, the length of days and nights become the same throughout the world. It is neither very hot nor very cold in both the hemispheres. So the northern hemisphere has spring in position 1. In position 1, northern hemisphere has spring in position 1 and autumn in position 3. And the southern hemisphere has autumn in position 1 and spring in position 3. Now I hope it will be clear for you.